This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harn. Welcome to your Florida dream home. This beautiful Reddington floor plan residence offers a private pool/spa and has it all. Experience serene lake and golf course views that stretch across the great room, kitchen, master bedroom, den/office, and pool area. This home provides 3 bedrooms, a den/office, and 2.5 baths. The wonderfully maintained home features a spacious kitchen perfect for entertaining, complete with 42-inch wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a walk-in pantry, a breakfast bar, and an eating area. The formal dining area and great room flow seamlessly, overlooking the pool and gorgeous lake. Relax in the pool and spa on your oversized pavered deck. The spacious primary suite offers sliding door access to the lanai, 2 walk-in closets, a large soaking tub, a dual walk-in shower, and separate vanities with expansive counter space. Major upgrades include electric hurricane shutters on all windows and sliders, a whole house filtration and osmosis system, coffer ceilings, a laundry sink, a recently painted interior, and new landscaping. The home is located in Somerset at the Plantation Golf and Country Club, a gated community. Low quarterly maintenance fees cover cable, high-speed internet, lawn care, and access to a wide range of amenities, including a clubhouse, restaurant, resort pool/spa, social clubs, the Herds and Fry Championship 18-hole golf course, tennis, pickleball, bocce ball, and a fitness center. Golf and social memberships are available but not required. Enjoy a great location near I-75, shopping, restaurants, the airport, and beaches. Call today for a tour. Your Florida dream home is found. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harn at 239-482-5700.